pasta fagioli. $9.49 at the Olive Garden. Yeah, you get a bowl of soup, 2 breadsticks, and a salad. But for $9.50, I made this entire pot for less than $10. And what does Mom always say? You can always make it better at home. So that's what we're doing today. So let's go do this. Okay, so let's talk about what we need here to make our soup. We have our chicken and vegetable broth, 1 pound of the hot, spicy sausage, Italian sausage, a pound of the 90% lean hamburger, our bay leaves, hot pepper, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, garlic, chopped, fresh, not jarred, 2 onions, which I already chopped, our carrots and celery, and I'm using cantadelli beans today along with kidney beans and some tomatoes. And I'm also using fresh tomatoes only because I have them and I need to use them. And of course, our pasta. So let's go do this. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cook our hot sausage if it comes out of the package. Okay. We're only gonna cook this partially, and we're gonna do the same thing for the hamburger meat. We're making a nice thick soup here. Okay, our hot Italian sausages, well, ground sausages, it's partially cooked, and I'm making a mess. Now we're going to add our 1 pound of hamburger. Same thing, we're only going to cook this partially. Okay, our meat is partially cooked as well. Now, let's assemble. Let's add our olive oil, a generous amount, our carrots and our celery, and our onions. And we're just gonna have this simmer for at least 10 minutes. We just want all the flavors to come together. Okay, so now it's time to assemble our ground meat, and our hot sausage. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of pepper. Give it a swirl. Then we're going to add a little cube of the Parmesan cheese. Delicious. I'm just going to plop that right in. Next, our tomatoes. 1 can of petite diced tomatoes. We're going to pour this in. Then we're just going to have this simmer for at least 10 minutes. And then we're going to add our broth, and that's going to cook for at least another 30 minutes to an hour. Let's add our broth. Remember, this is a combination of vegetable broth, This is a combination of vegetable broth and chicken broth. I use 3 cartons. Give it a swirl. We're going to cover. We're going to cook on medium-high for at least an hour. This is going to be so good. Much better than Olive Garden. Much better. Okay, it's time to add our beans. I'm using 2 cans of Cantonelli beans and a can of kidney beans. I'm just going to throw this right in. This is going to overflow. No wimpy cooking here. Now, Olive Garden soup. It's thick and it's creamy, yes, because they mash the beans. I'm not mashing my beans. If you want to, mash it. If you like that thick consistency, I don't. I like a nice, thick, chunky soup. So no mashing of the beans today. Okay, so we're gonna cover our soup and we're just gonna have this simmer for a little while because our macaroni is done. Okay, it's time to add our pasta. Holy. I'm using Di Danelli pasta today. It's perfect. It's the perfect pasta for this. All right. I only cooked it partially. I overfilled this. I do this all the time. Okay, and we're just going to have this simmer for like another 5 minutes, just so the Di Danelli can finish cooking. All right. Okay, and our final step. Lastly, we're just going to add some fresh spinach. And then we're just going to give this a quick stir, a swirl. Give it a quick swirl. And we're just going to have this cook. Maybe about 5 minutes. So I was thinking about it as I was cooking. $9.50 for a bowl of soup, salad, and 2 breadsticks each. Here for $9.50, let's do the math. Feed in 4 people, a big pot of pasta Fagioli, and I'm going to serve bread too, and as much as we want. Let's say $10. I spent $10 on that wedge of Parmesan cheese. So a wedge of Parmesan cheese will get you lunch at the Olive Garden. Okay, we're just going to let this simmer for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to serve it. It's done. Look at this. Where are you going to go? Olive Garden's pasta Fagioli doesn't look like this. Big chunks of meat. And a little bit of sugo. Now to finish it off, some fresh parsley from my garden. I'm just going to tear it right in. Some fresh Parmesan cheese. taste this. So good. Delicious. Now, if you're gonna make this, tag me. I want to see what you did. I'd love to see that. Now, altogether, I think I spent $10 to $12. I had everything in my fridge or downstairs in my pantry. So, inexpensive. And I have lunch for tomorrow. Oh, I forgot the bread. Can't forget the bread. All right, let's add more cheese. Now, if you want to see me work my way through the Olive Garden's menu, hit that bell, subscribe, because I'm doing it. I'm gonna make all the recipes on that menu. That's what Mom always used to say. It's better at home. And you know what? She's right. This was delicious. For the love of Ma. This is all that's left. I guess there's not going to be lunch tomorrow. And this is what's left for the bread. Well, obviously, it was good.